as you could. Yeah.
Fair enough. And you said कि आपका जैसी एपिसोड लाइव गया है suddenly you have seen a big rise in the sales,
Yeah.
जो काफी ज्यादा होता है.
Yeah.
तो can you give us some numbers कि
Sure.
Shark Tank एपिसोड आने से पहले हम लोग मंथली इतना सेल कर रहे थे, एपिसोड आने के बाद ये ड्रास्टिक चेंज हमको देखने को मिला.
So on the day that the episode aired, at night we saw a lot of visitors coming in.
अच्छा.
And it was the sale went to about 2x.
Okay.
Now currently after like say 10 days of the episode airing, we're at about 4x continuously. But more than that, I feel like the amount of opportunities that open for you as a small brand are massive, because when you're operating in such a niche space, not a lot of people want to bet on you, right? Now suddenly, now that they see you on Shark Tank and they see that the brand has potential, everybody wants to bet on you. So the distribution doors that open for you, the networking doors that open for you are massive. Yeah.
तो जैसे आपने कहा था कि आपका फाइनेंशियल ईयर 23 में आई थिंक 6 करोड़ का टारगेट था. 24 में 6 करोड़ का टारगेट था. नाउ डू यू फील कि हम 6 करोड़ से मच मोर आगे जा रहे हैं, या अभी हम 6 करोड़ पे चलेंगे?
We'll be able to cross that.
You will be able to cross that.
Yes.
And a big part of it, I think, goes to कि Shark Tank पे जो एपिसोड आया है.
I mean, see, we were going to do 6 anyway. We're going to cross that. But see, financially, और में भी ज़्यादा time नहीं बचा. It's only 2 months, so it's not like we're going to see a massive jump. But of course, maybe next year it'll just carry on forward to the next year. Yeah.
मेरे दिमाग में अभी एक थॉट आ रहा है कि जब आप लोग शार्क टैंक पे प्रोजेक्शन देते हो कि जो मेरा करंट ईयर में मैं इतनी की सेल करूंगी, और बैक ऑफ द माइंड पता होता है कि मैं जब शार्क टैंक पे आऊंगा तो मेरे को एक सडन राइज इन सेल्स दिखेगा.
Right.
तो वो जो प्रोजेक्शन होता है, क्या वो बिना शार्क टैंक के हिसाब से सेट किया जाता है, या फिर वो ये सोच के करते हैं कि अभी मैं लाइव आऊंगी तो मेरा सेल बढ़ेगा, तो मेरा अपडेटेड प्रोजेक्शन ये है?
That's a good question. Actually, हमें नहीं पता होता कि हमारा कितना मल्टीप्लायर बढ़ेगा और हम कितना ले पाएंगे, right? Some episodes go really viral and a lot of people jump to it. Others don't as much, you know. So it's really varied. You can't really bank on it and therefore have your projections. You can have a little variation here and there. Yeah.
But still, if I ask you for the numbers again, I'll keep circling back to it.
Sure.
जैसे in our last episode, Adil Qadri told us कि उनका per day, let's say 20 lakh का sale था, and he saw 30 to 40% jump, not a 2 or 4x multiplier. Now they started doing 27 lakhs, 30 lakhs per day after the episode.
Yeah.
तो can you share some number कि per day, let's say मेरा इतने लाखों का sale था, episode के बाद मेरा इतने लाखों पे चला गया वो sale?
So we were doing about say 80 to 100 orders a day, which has gone on to 3x, 3.5x for us now. So
is it like online only orders?
Online orders, Amazon orders, and retail orders have also increased a little bit.
Achha.
I think the difference between Adil Qadri and me is that his sale is more offline. Whereas for people, it's much easier to go online and just order something from us now. He does have some on Amazon.
He has a 95% online sale, but I think the difference here is कि उनका एक much more one time purchase product है, plus it's a much more expensive product. 1000 का जाएगा. This is something which I can try out.
Our AOV is also 1350, 1400, and that's not gone down.
Acha, so your average order value is 1350 right now?
Yes, and that's not gone down. It's gone down a little bit. It's gone down to 1100 right now, but then that's very similar to what Adil Qadri's thing is. So I'm not sure. That again to my point कि हमें नहीं पता कि कितना increase होगा, कितना multiplier हम देख पाएंगे उसमें.
Fair enough. फिर भी अगर मैं एक रफ मैथ सब चलाऊं दिमाग में, एवरेज ऑर्डर वैल्यू अगर 1100 है और अगर 3.5 से 4x का ग्रोथ आया है, तो हमने अराउंड महीने दिन की 30 लाख की सेल या 3 लाख की सेल, थोड़ी सी मेरी मैथ हिल गई, सॉरी, 3 लाख की सेल अभी हम गैस है हमारा, वो बता नहीं रही, बट हम गैस कर सकते हैं 3 to 5 lakhs हमारा आ रहा है अभी. ग्रेट. एंड इसमें से कितना आपका ऑनलाइन सेल है और कितना आपका ऑफलाइन इन स्टोर सेल है?
मेजरली मैं आपको जो अभी सेल बता रही हूँ, दैट आई एम ओनली टेलिंग यू अबाउट माय सेल फ्रॉम द वेबसाइट and Amazon. I'm not telling you my sale from the B2B outlets and the bulk orders. I'm not telling you any of that right
Achha.
now.
And ऐसा क्यों, like why are you not counting them in this?
Because वो आपका monthly basis पे हमारी billing चलती है ना, तो we don't quantify that really.
Fair enough.
We only quantify that on a monthly basis, and अभी वो add up नहीं हुआ है. So I don't have the monthly revenue number. I only have the daily order numbers.
Fair enough.